Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures visibility. Next, enable network discovery and file sharing in your system settings so the devices can communicate. Choose the folder you want to share, then set permissions, read only or read/write, so recipients have the right access. Once done, note the device name and local IP address for direct access. Make sure firewalls allow file sharing services before moving to the core steps. Now configure the sharing protocol that matches both systems. SMB is common for Windows and many NAS devices, AFP for older Macs, NFS for Unix systems. Then map the network drive. On Windows, use \device folder. On Mac, use connect to server with SMB //IP address /folder. Enter credentials if required and save login info for convenience. Once connected, test reading and writing a small file to confirm permissions. Finish by setting the share to reconnect at login or adding a startup script so access persists. Make sure you limit the shared folder scope, avoid sharing entire drives, and review user permissions periodically to maintain security. If you encounter issues, the key troubleshooting step is to check firewalls on both devices and the router's AP isolation setting. It can prevent local devices from seeing each other. Also verify you use the correct protocol, IP address, and credentials. Fixing any mismatch usually resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.